The CX-70 presents a sporty and upscale aesthetic that sets it apart. Brought to you by Berge Mazda. It features sleek LED headlights and taillights, bold black exterior accents replacing chrome, striking wheel designs, and available finishes like soul red crystal metallic, rhodium white metallic, and melting copper metallic. These design touches give the SUV a refined, distinctive presence. Under the hood, buyers can choose between the e-Skyactiv G turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-6 mild hybrid engine, delivering up to 340 horsepower, or the plug-in hybrid variant combining a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor for 323 horsepower and up to 26 miles of electric-only range. All models pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission, i-Activ AWD, kinematic posture control, and MI drive modes, including sport, off-road, towing, and EV. The SUV offers up to 5,000 pounds towing capacity on select trims.
The 2025 CX-70 accommodates 5 passengers comfortably. The rear seats offer a 60/40 split fold-down and reclining capability for flexible comfort and cargo arrangements. Remote folding seats, clever storage hooks, a sub-trunk for hidden valuables, and optimized cargo volume enhance practicality.
Mazda's attention to detail shines inside. Premium touches include leather-wrapped dashboards, Napa leather seating options, and ambient lighting. Dual 12.3-inch displays, infotainment, and digital gauge cluster, offering a modern, luxurious cockpit feel, complemented by a Bose 12-speaker premium audio system in higher trims. Safety is a strong suit. The CX-70 earned a top safety pick plus from IIHS with excellent crash and prevention ratings. Standard i-Activ Sense amenities include smart brake support, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, driver attention alert, traffic sign recognition, Mazda radar cruise with stop and go, rear cross traffic alert, rear seat alert, and vehicle exit warning. Everyday usability is prioritized with features like a hands-free power liftgate, rain-sensing wipers, heated side mirrors, privacy glass, rear wiper, and 1,500-watt and 120-volt power outlets in cargo area on select PHEV trims. Memory-adjustable 8-way power seats, de-icer windshield, and auto-folding mirror options add to the daily comfort. Tech conveniences abound. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging pad, Alexa built in, 4 USB-C ports, head-up active driving display, Sirius XM, and optional in-car Wi-Fi and emergency services via Mazda Connected Services and the My Mazda app. Higher trims gain features like Home Link and panoramic sunroofs.
The 2025 Mazda CX-70 strikes a compelling balance between performance, refinement, and practicality. It delivers engaging driving dynamics, minimalist yet luxurious styling, advanced safety tech, and thoughtful conveniences, all in a sophisticated two-row SUV package that bridges mainstream value and near-luxury refinement. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.